The open C chord is one of those fundamental chords that you need to know, and here's how you do it. To play the open C chord, here's the chord chart so you can follow along, but you're going to take your ring finger, you're going to put it on the 3rd fret of the A string, then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then you're going to leave the G string open, and then place your index finger onto the 1st fret of the B string. Then you're going to also have the open E string on the bottom. And the key to this is you're only going to strum the A string down. You can either mute the low E string using your thumb, like so, or you can just make sure not to hit it when you are strumming. And that's pretty much it. You want to make sure that you're using the very tips of your finger as opposed to the pad of your finger, and kind of arcing your fingers like so, kind of bending them, and getting as close to the edge of the fret as possible. You don't want it back towards the previous fret or in the middle. The closer that you get to the fret, the metal, the better. But you don't necessarily want to be on top of it either, just right behind. And to make sure that you're playing it right and to practice, you can hold these down and then just arpeggiate, which means plucking each string individually in sequence to make sure each of the notes is ringing out. Anyways, that's pretty much it. In the beginning, it's probably going to sound muddy and kind of janky like this, but as you kind of develop that finger strength and keep on practicing, you'll be able to articulate the notes a bit better. And it just takes time. You just got to put in your reps. There's really no other way about it. There's no shortcut. It's just putting in your minutes, getting your practice in. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning on in. We'll catch you next time. Adios, amigos.